Lower thirds are informative elements added to the lower area of a video style production. They're designed to be visible, but not take away from the action of the video itself. Today we're sharing our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Lower Thirds Templates so you can subtly add info to your media. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Lower Thirds Titles for FCPX by Motion Lemon. This is an essential compilation of lower thirds templates for any amateur or pro video editor. A clever combination of understated typography and minimalistic animated graphic design sets these creative elements apart. Number 9. Brush Lower Thirds by Flickmotion. Now this is a template pack for artistic businesses and influencers who are looking to showcase their portfolio or create how-to videos targeting the art industry. A range of brushstroke lower thirds are available, so you can mix and match to suit your video content. Number 8. Social Media Lower Thirds by Justamotion. Perfect for vloggers, streamers, and social media influencers of all kind, this trendy pack of templates contains a versatile range of editable lower thirds for use on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube channels. Number 7. Typewriter Lower Thirds, Mogart for Premiere Pro by Motion Revolver. With school, newspaper, and journalism themes throughout, this lower thirds template pack is useful to freelance writers, school projects, news channels, and much more. The kinetic typewriter themed text adds creativity and flair to any presentation. Number 6. Minimal Lower Thirds for Final Cut Pro 10 by Joel Starling. The number 6 addition to our list today is a pack full of dynamic, modern, and minimalist lower thirds templates that promise to leave your important business presentation or sales pitch as the star of the show. Are you enjoying this video? If so, please like and share with your friends so they can watch too. If you click the bell icon and subscribe to the Envato channel, we promise to keep making more helpful content like this. With that out of the way, let's get back to the Envato Elements Top 10 Best Lower Thirds Templates Countdown. Number 5. Auto Resized Lower Thirds by Wall Street Cat. Coming in at number 5 on this list is a super handy lower thirds template pack that not only looks sophisticated, but it also offers self-resizing boxes to any font. That means less work for you in the long run and more attractive, consistent lower thirds. Number 4. Clean Corporate Lower Thirds by Motion Beard. Now this is a stylish, contemporary set of lower thirds templates that will suit any corporate presentation to a T. Choose to add a dash of color to liven things up, or just use plain and simple text to get your message across. Number 3. Lower Thirds by Flickmotion. With auto resizing capabilities, stunning color options, and sleek design elements, we highly recommend this lower thirds template pack for urbane presentations where a CTA should be placed in a subtle position that still catches the eye. Number 2. Lower Thirds Animation Pack by Yeti. This pack provides 30 animated lower thirds templates that are the perfect assets to elevate your video production. From interviews to documentaries, social media videos to corporate presentations, this pack has your needs completely covered. Number 1. Pop Lower Thirds by Mediastock. The name says it all with this bright pack of creative lower thirds templates. Even though lower thirds usually aren't designed to pop, everything about these designs steers slightly away from subtlety to make sure your audience claps eyes on your important messaging. Do you agree with our top 3 choices for this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Lower Thirds Templates Countdown? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Before you go, be sure to check out the next video in the queue. It's been chosen just for you. You can find all the best lower thirds templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. What are you waiting for? Get out there and use its resources to cash in on viewer engagement.